How to get tax documents from Moomoo. First, you have to download the Moomoo application. Then log into your account. If you use your phone number just like me, you will get a verification code sent to your mobile via SMS. Open your Moomoo application. Here you'll see the total assets shown in USD based on the real-time exchange rate. The Order tab shows any open and cancel orders as well as the ones filled within 24 hours. Then tap on More at the top of the screen. Click on Text Documents. That's it. Thanks for watching.